we're going to move on to how to do our grade checks for strategies. So if you are in class, I'm going to be passing out one of these sheets of paper. If you are at home today, you can do it digitally. I will have a link to a Google Doc for you to fill out these digitally, and you can share them with me, share them with your parents so that you know what you need to be working on today. So these are pretty simple. You are just going to go through each of your classes, and to do that, all you need to do is click into your classes. So I'm in my math class right now. I click on the grades on the left-hand side, and I can look and see all of the wonderful things I have done in my math class. So you can see I put that I have a B+. I have 0 missing assignments, but I do need to remember that I do have spiral review every night that I need to be working on. If you were missing an assignment, your teachers would have either 50% in with a note that says that you are missing an assignment that you would need to complete, or you just wouldn't have a grade in for the assignment. It's important to remember to look at the dates because sometimes teachers publish things that are in the future and you don't need to be worrying about those. But if it's a past date, those are things that we need to look at and make sure that we write down on our list of things that we need to complete. This will be really helpful for the next step of our lesson today because you are going to have time to work on these assignments and ask questions and get help on anything that you need. The next part of your grade check is what is the peak of your weekend? So what was the best part of your weekend? I know you already did this in the weekend share, but it's kind of nice to write it down and think about it again. And this is just for you, not to share with other people. So the peak of my weekend was playing laser tag with my friends. And the pit of my weekend, the worst part of my weekend, was not being able to sleep in. So complete your grade check. If you need help, come see us.